This is your smart home, powered by fast internet and smart devices. You're protected by smart cameras, smart alarms, smart door locks, and of course, your dog Sparky. Your family is always connected to the internet. Everything is so convenient and perfect. Or isn't? Can you see what your smart devices are doing? Look, who is that sitting next to you? Where are the walls, the door, the security system, and the dog? Are you worried? Do you need help? We sure can help. In 2017, we introduced the Firewalla Red, making cybersecurity simple and affordable. The Red gives you insight into your devices, the power to manage kids' internet access, protection from the bad things on the internet, and a bonus VPN server for the road. In 2018, we released the Firewalla Blue, operating at 500 megabits, making cybersecurity even more powerful. We added safe browsing for kids, a VPN client for business use, and geo-blocking to block any country off your network. And now, we're introducing Firewalla Gold. Running the same software as the Red and Blue, it can process packets at 3 gigabit per second, and it's 6 times more powerful than Firewalla Blue and 30 times faster than the Red. Firewalla Gold has 3 additional fully routable gigabit interfaces. This enables you to create private networks with different policies and isolate devices into network segments for better protection. You can now create VPN networks to teleport your devices to a remote location or run site-to-site VPN between offices, where your business can also be segmented to isolate employees, guests, and critical devices. And one last thing. Firewalla Gold is a powerful and extensible software-based router that will now be able to perform even better in the future. Now you can connect Firewalla Gold to your router or put it in between your modem and the router, or simply replace your existing router. Let Firewalla Gold protect your family and your business. Let it close the window, lock the door, and be the alarm system for your digital world.